ये है मेरे 4 अनमोल रतन for now. Hi, welcome back again. मुझे एक फेस वॉश की जरूरत थी एंड दिस टाइम आई डिसाइडेड व्हाई नॉट ट्राई ऑल द डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस दैट आर अवेलेबल ऑन Amazon. इनफैक्ट Amazon पे इतने सारे ऑप्शंस है कि सब ट्राई करना तो नामुमकिन है. बट आई वाज ऑन अ बजट. आई थॉट कि 700 के अंदर अंदर ही ऑप्शंस चेक करती हूँ, ऑल्दो उसमें भी बहुत 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 वैरायटी थी. बट ऑफ कोर्स आई चोज टू गो विद द ब्रांड्स दैट आई न्यू ऑफ एंड सम दैट आई हैव ट्राइड बिफोर. And आज आपके सामने I'm bringing the options of some of my favorite face washes that I found on Amazon. So सबसे पहले and सबसे ज़्यादा expensive was Sebamed. Sebamed में cheaper option भी available है, but I decided to go for the foamy ones because उसका texture मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Like you instantly spray it and a sort of a foam comes out. Let me show you. Can you see that? It's like without using water, you get that foam and you just have to put it on your face and just wash it off, and it instantly gives you that really refreshing, nice, supple feeling on your skin. So I've always liked this one, and I think this one comes for about 690 if I'm not wrong. But anyway, link to मैं नीचे डाल ही दूंगी. So this is something you must try. Second option that I picked was from Khadi Natural. Lately now मैं थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा conscious हो गई हूँ about what I use on my skin, and I always try and look out for options जिसमें natural elements हो, ज़्यादा chemicals ना हो, because I think as you start growing up, you start seeing the difference on your skin any which way. और फिर लगता है कि तुम chemicals लगाओगे और लगाओगे तो शायद और खराब हो जाएगा rather than becoming better. So Khadi Naturals was a good option. This is an aloe vera with a very slight scrub in it. I've used this before, and ये वो बहुत harsh scrub भी नहीं है. So every day आप use कर सकते हो आराम से. It's like a face wash with that very light element to it, and आपको वो clean feeling और वो refreshing feeling आ ही जाएगी. And it's very very well priced, by the way. Although it's organic and natural, but it comes just for $2.99. So option number 3 has to be Dermafique. This is one brand that I have extensively used on my skin before. I love their moisturizer. That is something I've advocated like crazy. In fact, अब तो मेरी पूरी family वो use करना शुरू हो गया, be it my mom, my mamas and whatnot. They all love it. So इसका face wash भी try करना बनता ही था. I've used it before, and this again is a very very good option. Again, a very affordable option because this also comes in that same price range as that Khadi Natural. I think around $2.99 only, but very effective on the skin and does its job well. So, and last but not the least, I got L'Oreal ka ek face wash. Now L'Oreal products I've used obviously for makeup, for my hair, for multiple things always, but I've never used their face wash. So जब मैंने ये देखा and it says it's also a foam cleanser and a glowing foam cleanser, I got tempted and picked it up. This is the only one out of the lot that I've not used so far, but I will use it and tell you next time how it was. So ये है मेरे 4 अनमोल रतन for now. But I'm pretty excited about how it is going to make my skin glow and shine and be healthy and nice and clean all the time. Putting the links down below. You also go check it out. Enjoy yourself. Amazon is here to spoil you for choices. By the way, this t-shirt that I'm wearing is also from Amazon. I loved how cute and sassy it is. I got an oversized one because I wanted something that's comfortable and you can wear with your t-shirts or your jeans or just for regular everyday running around, in the house or otherwise as well. And I got it at a great price. So Amazon it is.